Hey guys, it's Kristen from A Mindful Mom, where I get into the kitchen and share with you easy recipes your family will love. Today is another Instant Pot recipe day, which means I'm sharing with you a tested and tried and true Instant Pot recipe your family will love. Today is Instant Pot Minestrone. It's better than anything you get at any restaurant. And I have a couple secret ingredients that's gonna take this minestrone over the top. So, to get started, the first thing you need to do is hit saute on your Instant Pot. Give it a minute to warm up. Then add in a half a tablespoon of olive oil. Next, we're going to add in a half of an onion that's been finely diced, carrot sticks that have been finely chopped, and 2 stalks of celery finely chopped. Saute that up for about 2 minutes, just until the onion begins to break down. Next, add in a half a tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. Allow the garlic and oregano to toast up. That's really going to develop great flavor in that oregano. And now we're going to add in half a cup of dry red wine. That's secret ingredient number 1. The red wine really gives incredible depth of flavor to this minestrone. You can certainly use vegetable stock if you don't drink wine at your house. Let that cook off for about 1 minute. Then turn your Instant Pot off. Next, add in 4 cups reduced sodium vegetable stock. You can certainly use chicken stock if that's what you have on hand. 1 cup of marinara sauce. That's my secret ingredient number 2. The marinara sauce is really going to give this soup incredible flavor. It's so much better than using diced tomatoes. 1 zucchini that's been diced into half-inch moons, 1 bay leaf, a half a teaspoon of salt. Add in a half a cup of uncooked macaroni noodles. Whole wheat or white noodles work fine. 1 15-ounce can of kidney beans that have been rinsed and drained, or 2 cups of cooked kidney beans. And 1 15-ounce can of white beans that have been rinsed and drained, or 2 cups of cooked white beans. Place your lid on your Instant Pot and be sure your vent knob is pointed towards sealed, not venting. Set cook time for 1 minute on high pressure. How you do this is you press manual or pressure cook and use the plus or minus buttons to adjust to 1 minute. Now, it might seem crazy that we're only cooking our soup for 1 minute, but I have found that by cooking for 1 minute on high pressure and letting pressure release naturally for 10 minutes, the noodles will be perfectly cooked, the zucchini will still have a little bit of bite to it, and this soup will have developed incredible flavor thanks to toasting up the oregano, the marinara sauce, and the red wine. So once cook time has elapsed, you're going to let pressure release naturally for 10 minutes. Once the 10 minutes have passed, it's time to do a quick pressure release, which just means to hit your vent knob from the sealing to venting position. I use a wooden spoon to knock back the vent knob, and be sure to stand away from the vent knob so that you can protect your face from any steam that may escape. You also don't want to do this underneath any of your kitchen cabinets. Open up your Instant Pot and stir in 2 cups of baby spinach that have been finely chopped. You can use kale if you like as well. And 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar. That's the final secret ingredient to this minestrone. The red wine vinegar is just going to make all the flavors so much brighter and more prominent in this soup. Place your lid back on your Instant Pot and let it sit for just a minute or 2 for the spinach to wilt through. Serve up this soup with some Parmesan cheese, or serve plain for a dairy-free version, and enjoy. Guys, be sure to hit subscribe so that anytime I have a tried, tested, and true Instant Pot recipe, you'll be alerted to when I'm sharing that here with you. And happy cooking!